Okay, good again. Good evening. No? Continuous kang Jumel. Today is about April 27. Yung oras is about 9, ano? 9 again. Ani takakuha, no? Again, 10:28, no? 10:28. Documented na, no? Again, documented na. So, karon ang Arwin ergometer. We do to upper, no? Para sa iyahang arthritis sa iyahang elbow. Okay, move brace, shoulder, elbow brace. Again, tunggal si Jumel, no? May oxygen namin sa gawas, so outside the four walls, yeah? Again, for 8 to 7 minutes. This 5 minutes. Good. Again, so 7 minutes, so 28. Okay, padulo kay time ni, by time. Documented. Thank you to YouTube. You again, thank you to YouTube for spreading the good news. Again, kaya ito yung doktor na aslani. Mula ito, ang doktor, yung cardiologist, may kemopira. Hala, lumatay man, gataki man. Okay, ako, delay ko doktor, pero ako ron. Na answer sheet mo ni kana sa exam, no? Na answer sheet ko, mo ni gitawag na ko og unlimited died cellular network, unlimited na sakit. Limit. So mao nito na, no? Answer key, no? Again okay ka mulihok ang imong heart. Mo ni amo ipading kamutan together with our prayer and Jumel support, no? Mo lagi ayo lagi, no? So makita ninyo, amo ni latest na po 2 treatment sessions without oxygen, na. Yan, inyo. Again, thank you. So we'll be back. So 28 na, no? Again, thank you.